must be the remains of something, but what is it? We're in another part of Bexhill Old Town. It's called the Manor Barn, I think. And if I just... There's part of the gardens. Look, there's an old fireplace here. What the heck's it doing out here? Manor Barn, 75 yards. Well, if we explore this bit first. It's like Bexhill Manor House, doesn't it? There's the ruins of a, looks like a manor house or something like this. Not really up on my history here. Go through this doorway. Again, it's a somewhat blustery day, so the weather's not nice. And we're going around another bit. There's what this bit is, but it looks like it's done in some sort of like old sort of coastal sort of style. So I think if I just get, someone's left a glass of water outside. What's that doing there? There's another part of the ruined Manor Barn. It's an old manor house. This must be the Manor Barn. It's probably not open right now, so if I just look at that. That's something, I've never been to this before. And this is a style of walling that I keep seeing in, we'll just go over this style of walling here that I see this like Eastbourne area, and also, you know, areas like Pevensey, and like they've just got rocks off the beach and just stuck them in with whatever they had for cement back then. Just look down there, around this general area, you see that like all the walls are like that as well. So we just go now, shut that down.